The 2025 Genesis G70 is finally ready to drive, and it's proving once again that you don't need a BMW or Audi to experience true luxury and performance. This compact sports sedan combines power, technology, and premium styling, all at a price that undercuts its European rivals. For 2025, the Genesis G70 keeps its bold and aggressive design but refines the details. The signature crest grille remains, but it's flanked by updated LED headlights with a sharper, more modern look. The rear has also been tweaked slightly, with redesigned taillights and dual exhaust tips that reinforce its sporty nature. Genesis hasn't gone for a full redesign here, but the small changes help keep the G70 looking fresh in a segment filled with strong competition. Under the hood, the 2025 G70 offers two engine choices. The standard 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder delivers a solid 300 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque, making it a great option for those who want a balance of power and efficiency. But for drivers craving more excitement, Genesis offers a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, producing an impressive 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque. With this engine, the G70 can sprint from 0 to 60 in just 4.5 seconds, putting it right in line with rivals like the BMW 3 Series and Audi S4. The G70 has always been praised for its sharp handling, and that remains true for 2025. The chassis is well balanced, the steering is precise, and the suspension tuning gives it an engaging feel on winding roads. Genesis has also fine-tuned the adaptive suspension, ensuring a smooth ride even over rough pavement while still keeping things sporty when you push it. Inside, the 2025 G70 has received a tech upgrade that brings it in line with modern luxury standards. The outdated infotainment system is gone, replaced by a stunning 14.5-inch touchscreen with a sleek, curved design. The G70's interior is lined with high-quality materials, from soft-touch plastics to genuine leather upholstery. Higher trims offer quilted Napa leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and even a heated steering wheel for those cold mornings. The overall layout is driver-focused, with a cockpit-style design that puts everything within easy reach. Safety is another area where the 2025 G70 shines. Pricing for the 2025 Genesis G70 starts at around $43,000 for the base model and goes up to about $56,000 for a fully loaded V6 version. That puts it well below similarly equipped versions of the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes-Benz C-Class, making it one of the best value propositions in the luxury sedan market. So, is the 2025 Genesis G70 the best sports sedan for the money? It's got the looks, the power, and the luxury features to compete with the best, all at a price that makes it a serious contender. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.